Hello, I'm Masaru.
This time, I'll be introducing an exquisite fried rice that anyone can make that will never fail. Fried rice is one of the most popular Japanese home-cooked dishes, but sometimes the rice becomes soggy instead of crumbly. Today, I will show you some tips on how to make delicious non-sticky fried rice, so be sure to watch the video until the end. On this channel, I share tips on how to make Japanese home cooking exquisite, so please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out. Okay, let's get started with the cooking. First, put the rice in a bowl and let it cool down a little. Freshly cooked rice is too watery and sticky, so use rice that is left over in the rice cooker or rice that has been cooked slightly hard to avoid mistakes. Next, finely chop the green onions and ginger. There are many ways to chop green onions, but you can use whatever method you prefer. Ginger is not generally used in fried rice, but it gives it a very fragrant flavor and increases the level of deliciousness, so please try adding it. The green onions here are added for color, so you can omit them. Use leftover chashu pork. It is easier to eat chashu if it is cut into roughly 1 centimeter pieces. Please refer to the previous video that introduced how to make this exquisite char siu. If you do not have chashu pork, you can use pork belly. By frying pork belly, it will taste similar to chashu. Cut crab fish cake. Crab fish cake is red in color, so adding it will make it more colorful. If you don't have it, don't add it, and it won't affect the taste. Next, prepare the amount of seasonings to be added in advance. The key to fried rice is to fry it quickly over high heat, so it's very important to measure and prepare the seasonings in advance. Also, prepare all ingredients and seasonings near the frying pan. After the rice has cooled down to a certain degree, crack in the eggs. This time, use 2 eggs. The more eggs you use, the fluffier and tastier the rice will be. Now, add the chicken broth mix. Then, mix the eggs and rice well. By doing this, you can stir-fry the rice without it getting coated with the egg and getting soggy. Also, since the chicken broth mix is added in advance, the taste is even. The ingredients are now ready. Now, let's stir-fry. Add oil and heat. The more oil, the better the taste, so don't skimp on the oil. Stir-fry all at once over high heat. Once the oil is hot enough, add the ginger. This will transfer the scent of ginger to the oil. If you don't have chashu, sauté the pork belly well before frying the ginger. Then immediately add the rice mixed with the egg and stir-fry. As you stir-fry for a while, the rice will gradually become crumbly. Shaking the frying pan will let air in and make it more fluffy, but you don't have to do that as the fried rice may spill. The rice gradually started to feel crumbly. Now that the rice is crumbly, add the chashu and crabfish cake. Stir-fry the chashu with the rice to transfer the flavor of the meat to the rice. Now add green onions. It's best to add the green onions towards the end, as they tend to burn easily. Add soy sauce and sauté. By adding this, the crumbly fried rice becomes moist and has a deeper flavor. Finally, add salt and pepper to taste. I think it tastes better with more pepper. Please adjust as you like. The aroma of soy sauce really whets my appetite. When serving on a plate, put it in a bowl and turn it over to make it look nicer. Adding red ginger gives it an authentic feel. This is an exquisite fried rice that anyone can easily make. It adds a moist texture to the crumbly rice, giving it an exquisite finish. Now, let's eat.